Hello audience, my name is Ismael and we are going to talk about scientific claims. You could have read different books of scientists, you could also have heard different documentaries about scientists. So they all shows that what they have said are true and are correct. But the question is, do we need to accept all the scientists' findings? How can we reply to their claims or requests? What do we base on while accepting or denying a scientific claim? Okay, we are going to take an example of two videos. One is from Brandon and it's called Secret of Happiness. He gives us a different hint to be happy. He said, by considering your past, you have to make a gratitude to it in order to be happy. Even if it was not good, even if it was not peaceful, you need to make a gratitude to it so for you to be happy. So he also tells us uh, in the pleasant uh, in the pleasant time we need to be engaged on what you're doing. If you are doing a given activity, you need to be engaged in that so that to keep yourself being happy. So he talked about different things in this era, but also it's good to be engaged in what you are doing for the future. Also it tells us that we need to make an anticipation which is good. We need always to have positive thought. So even if it can be hard in the future, time can be not good, but we need to anticipate that it will be good. From that, you will be having uh, a happiness in you. So he said also different things on this future time. He said happiness is also related to our physical health. For you to be, if you are physical good, you also feel happy. If you are physical bad, you also feel bad. You are not happy. So when you are not happy because of physical health, you will simply see why aren't you happy, and then come up with a solution by asking, what can I do? How have I eaten? How have I slept? So that maybe if there is a problem with your physical health, you can be good, and ultimately you will be happy from that. Okay, he said also the relationship plays a vital role in our happiness. The interaction that we have with different people also plays a good role for you to be happy. So if you are interacted with others, it will be good for you. It will make you happy. He gives us different hints, like also in the spirituality. When you are spiritual good, when you think that God had made everything for you, is able to do everything for you, you feel happy because of that. So the second video is for Sonja. She's talking about also the lifetime happiness. This video is called the lifetime happiness. She's giving us the advice that if you need to have happiness for an hour, take a nap. If it is for a day, go fishing. Also, if it is for a year, inhale a 14. If it is for all of the time, if you need to be happy for all of the time, help somebody else. She talked about a study done called Acts of Kindness, where students were instructed of doing 30 acts of kindness per week in 6 weeks. So those students who were doing such activities were really happy than those rest of the class. So from that, she gives us a conclusion of an advice of doing a good thing for as a secret of being happy in all of our life of time. He also gives the fact of President of USA number 43, which says the benefit of helping is beneficial. So from those two videos, the second video seems to be scientifically reliable than the first one. Scientific method is used once a person conducted a research, a study or an experiment and come up with a data that shows and proves that those information, those findings are very reliable. From the fact that the second video, Sonja made a study and gives facts, that claim can be accepted than the first one, because her information have the data to support them. It is very reliable. But for the first video, is only providing us the hints and advice without any support. So once you are going to accept the scientific claim, make sure if there is an experiment, a study, or research done to assure their findings. Thank you.